Yo, guys, yo, family, yo, friends, yo, traders. How you guys doing and how is your weekend going? I hope you guys are prepared for the Forex market this week. Not just prepared, just prepared to stay the Forex market this week. Okay, yeah, we are looking at the same pairs we always looked at GBPJPY, GBPUSD, and XAUUSD. And if you want us to also check other pairs, you can just on the comment section. So let's go to GBPJPY pound yen. Let's see what's happening on GBPJPY. We didn't really have much move in the market last week, but on Wednesday we had CPI news and there was a little volatility in the market and still price still acted the same way it has always acted. So this is GBPJPY. Let's start by marking out some important area. Okay. We had series of rejections here, but I don't know why price didn't just go down. You know the way the price market can be, and due to the global recession currently in the world, so we tend to experience slow movements in the price, irregularities, instability in the price. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay, so we already marked out our levels. So let's change to a line chart for us to see we can still mark out some levels. Okay, we have a zone here. We have a sell pressure here and we have a buy pressure here. So we can just join it together, make a rectangle. We also have another one here. Good. So it's very, very important to always mark your zones, either the main zones or intermediate zones. It's good to mark out your zones because your zones form confluence with other technical tools you want to use. Okay, let's also draw this one. Okay, good. So price already broke below this place. So we should possibly expect a push downward to this support area of 158. That's a psychological key level. Wow, that's not bad. So price already broke here. And looking at it with the line chart representation, it looks like a breakout, retest, and what continuation downward. But still, let's do some insights. Maria, let's draw our support area here. Okay, good. So let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. Okay, what can we see on the 4 hour time frame? I can see a downtrending market on the 4 hour time frame. Like if you should pay attention to current market condition, I can see a downtrend on the 4 hour time frame. So let's mark it out. If you change your line chart, you see, can you see a downtrend here? So let's mark it out. Good. Okay, and there's another one here we can mark, right? So let's change to the candlestick to balance it. Okay. Okay, this looks like a descending channel. This looks like a descending channel. And looking at this price already made the first touch and second touch here. Let's do more insight. Let's see. Let's see if we can mark some zones or trend inside this trend. Let's change to our line chart. Can you see there's a buy pressure here? There's a buy pressure and there's an arising buy pressure here, even though it didn't really push up. So let's just mark it out on GBPJPY. Okay. Let me change to the candlestick. Okay. looking at the price, it has been trending downward. So now let's pay attention to this point. Price already made the first touch around this on the trend line, the second touch on the trend line. So we could possibly see price pushing up to make a third touch on this trend line before it starts going down. Or we can see something like a break below this low here. Let me mark it out. We can see something like a break below this low, retest, and a continuation downward on GBPJPY. And looking at this trend, which price broke from last week, that was where we filtered our CPI innocently. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame, see if we can mark some stuff. Okay. So we'll just wait patiently for price to just come to this third touch area on this trend line for a possible rejection. And if we look at the trend line, there's an area there, a psychological key level of 162.500. So we expect price to possibly come here, reject, and start coming down, or a break below here and a sell downward. Or we can see once the price come down here again, then push up and start coming down. But like I said, we react to what we see. So that's what I'm looking out for on GBPJPY. Let's go to GBPUSD. GBPUSD. Let me go to my line chart. Okay. I don't know but I feel price is still coming down to this point on GBPUSD. I just feel so, but I don't know. I just feel price might possibly come down here before it now starts the main push upward, because GBPUSD has been selling like overall bullish movement. So when price comes down to this level, we might see a possible double bottom pattern before price start pushing up. Well, and that's not what we're talking about now. So let's go to the daily time frame. Okay. Marking out of zones helps a lot. So let's pay attention to the marked zones here. So let's draw our rectangle. Okay, we have a small buy pair here. Okay. So this price is trending upward. And how can we complement it? We can complement it with a trend line. Let's go to the 4 hour time to see it clearly. But this price is trending upward. It's an upward trend. And we complement trends with what? Trend line. Okay. So you can just change your line. See price going up. Okay, this is an ascending channel. Okay, this is an ascending channel on GBP USD. Okay. So what are we looking at on GBP USD? Let me change the candlestick. Okay. So we are expecting price to possibly push down here and make a bounce up upward, or a breakout, retest, and a continuation downward. That's what I'm looking at on GBP USD. There's not too much talk on GBP USD. So that's what we are just looking at on GBP USD, because GBP USD already even gave us an ascending channel. And most times an ascending channel tends to break below. So either price bounces up from this place and start going up, or breakout, retest, and continuation downward. So that's what I'm looking at on GBP USD. So let's go to gold. XAUUSD. Gold ended with a bullish impulse last week. So let's mark out what we can see on gold. Okay, let's change to our candlestick. Okay. So let's start marking out all these zones here we've marked. So price is actually approaching another level gold wants to break. We don't know if it's going to break or it's going to make a rejection around that area. I think it is 1800. Let me change it to number. Okay. So we are expecting price. Let's draw our trend line. Because it's obviously a downtrend. So we don't know if price is going to break the trend line on gold, but this is a descending channel in gold. So we don't know if price is going to break the trend line upward and gold to start buying, or if it's going to make a rejection downward. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. So this is gold. And we also have an inner trend, which is a bullish trend. Let's plot it out. On gold, okay. So wait to see patiently if price is going to break above retest and continuation downward, or sorry about that, or if price is going to just reject downward on gold. So that's what we are paying, that's what we are looking out for on GBPUSD, GBPJPY, and gold. GBPJPY, we're expecting price to possibly come up here for a third trade before it starts going down. And GBPUSD for a possible push upward, bounce up, or a word breakout, retest and continuation downward. And while on gold, a possible push upward or a what sell downward. And if you pay attention to this place on gold, we had some rejections here. The depletion candlestick here followed by another rejection, which actually made me short gold, but I was stopped out and break even. So price now started coming up again. So let's see what's going to happen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Thank you, family. Stay off.